Hello and welcome to this special update on the first rocket launch from UK soil. On Monday night, several satellites are set to be launched into space from Cornwall Airport near Newquay as part of the Start Me Up mission. This historic event will take place at Spaceport Cornwall with the initial launch window opening at 10:16 p.m. on Monday, and additional backup dates scheduled for the rest of January. The mission involves a repurposed Virgin Atlantic Boeing 747 aircraft, known as Cosmic Girl, which will carry Virgin Orbit's Launcher 1 rocket. The plane will take off horizontally from the spaceport and fly over the Atlantic Ocean, releasing the rocket at 35,000 feet around an hour into the flight. The rocket will then ignite its engine and take multiple small satellites, with a variety of civil and defense applications, into orbit. These will be the first satellites launched into space from Europe, as previous satellites produced in the UK had to be sent to foreign spaceports for their journey. Ian Annett, Deputy Chief Executive at the UK Space Agency, expressed his excitement for the event, stating that the real achievements are the challenges that have been overcome as a team in order to make these missions a reality. The launch was originally scheduled for before Christmas, but was delayed due to technical and regulatory issues. However, Virgin Orbit's Launcher 1 system successfully completed an end-to-end launch rehearsal on Thursday, giving hope for a successful launch on Monday. So don't miss this historic event and make sure to tune in on Monday night for the first rocket launch from UK soil. Thank you for watching. Find us at